What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to start this video off at the farm because it is a beautiful day. Not doing any donuts or anything like that. We figured we'd bring our dog over because I live in town and she doesn't have much room to run, so we like to bring her over here and just let her go crazy. But yeah, we're going to wire up the light bar whenever I get back home, and hopefully it works. But I have it installed. I did that yesterday, like 5, 6, 7 o'clock yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna play with the dog, and then I'll catch back up with you guys whenever I get home. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen that I have the light bar on. It's just not wired up yet. Looks really good. This is the Turbo SI, Turbo C, or whatever. This is the light bar that came with the pods that I have on the Focus. It's a multicolored one. It can be amber or white. So that's gonna be the fun part of the wiring. But you want it? Here. Diesel. 1, 2, 3. Good catch. Are you tired already? And just like that, it's about 10-20 minutes later, she is down for the count. Huh, Dees? You're gonna have to get a bath when we get home. Huh? Alright guys, like I said, I was going to hook up the light bar. I got it hooked up. Works. The switch isn't perfect because it's the factory, or not factory, but the switch that came with the light bar.
Say hi to YouTube.
Okay, say hi to YouTube.
Hi. And
it's not, like, I bought another one, but I'm not entirely sure how to wire that one up, so I didn't use it. And there's my oldest pouting. Says his back hurts because he was tearing the deck apart. So here's the switch that came with the light bar. I think this one's orange, this one's white, or I can have them both on at the same time. I have a switch that looks like these ones that fits right in there, but I'm not sure how to wire it up, so I didn't. That's a ground. Surprisingly, it works. I just fed them through right here where I have the fog lights coming through, the fog light wire, and then I ran obviously this ground, and then I have subs, so the power wire right here is also with the amp power wire, so that way I have the power to the switch. And then we'll go out and I'll show you how I ran them outside. So here's where it comes out down here. You can't really see it, but I ran it up along here, and then it goes over to here, and then there's the relays and fuses, power wire, negative, and then ran it around the battery this way and down. There is some wires here that came with the harness that I don't need. It goes straight down and out here to the light bar. So now I'll turn it on and show you what it looks like. And that's how it works. I'll show you guys later on when it gets dark out how bright they are. I'll turn my truck around and, I don't know, maybe shoot that way because I have bushes and whatnot in front of the truck. But yeah, we'll do that. The Focus is running right now. I haven't started it in, like, I don't know, since the last video on it. And I just wanted to make sure it starts, let it run, you know, let all the fluids cycle through and whatnot. I don't know if I'm going to get into the headlights and fog, or the halos and the fog lights on the truck in this video or not, but that will be coming soon. I might just make a separate video on just that. Might do like a how-to type of thing. Maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. if you were curious, yes, the Focus still runs, surprisingly. I still haven't messed with the catch can at all. It's still zip tied. I don't really know where I'm gonna put it, so it's just gonna continue to be zip tied for now. But yeah, I just haven't even messed with it. The eagle eyes on the driver's side are still not hooked up. Like I said, I've been extremely busy at work. Haven't had time to really do anything, and the time that I did have, I've been spending it with my wife and my kids. Alright, it's pretty dark out, so I'm going to show you guys what the light bar looks like at night. And I didn't turn my truck around, but it'll be alright. Alright guys, it is now Tuesday. Like I said, this video was going to be kind of all over the place. I did a few small things as a truck, and I didn't really want to make one video per thing because it wasn't really that much. But anyways, I finally got my windows tinted in the truck. I got a 5% drop on the windshield and 15% on both sides. Matches the back, like there you can kind of see, pretty much matches. But I don't know if you can really see my willow, but it is really windy out. If you guys are like in the need for some window tint or upholstery work, check out Bauer's Custom Window Tinting. Like I said, they do window tint, and he also does upholstery work. He is located in Williamsport. There's his information, and I'll put his Facebook information down below. Yeah, definitely the guy does a good job. Check him out. Alright, so here's what the outside looks like. As you can see, matches the back doors pretty good. And my truck is dirty, but you can't see it. But anyway, yeah, that was the back door, and here's the front ones. You can still see through. There's the drop. Just a small one. I didn't want to go too crazy because it's illegal in PA, and the cops around here don't really like tint too much. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this upload. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car_dude. And I gotta go help my son tear the deck apart.